If you want to download apps on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, all you have to do is you can swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps, and then in here we need to find Play Store. And there we go. Now in here, of course, we can just scroll down to try to find some suggestions, so you might be able to find something that you may want to install on your watch. And if you have an idea of something specific that you might want to get on your watch, then you can always use this search option. And there we go. You can also use these categories that we have in here. They can be quite useful as well. Then you can tap on this field that we have here, and then you can just type whatever you want to search for, or you can swipe up in here and use the microphone, for example, so you can say something out loud to quickly search for something. So let's say I'm going to use the microphone. Let's grant the permission. There we go. WhatsApp. Okay, that's close enough. Let's see if we can find the WhatsApp. There we go. Here it is. So as you can see, we can easily find any app that you may want to use on your watch. However, in addition to that, if you don't really want to use your watch to download apps, then you can also use your phone. So on your phone, you can just simply open the Play Store, and if you go to apps category here, then we should be able to switch to other devices, and you want to make sure that watch is selected, and then you can find pretty much anything that you may want to use on your watch. So let's say if I want to install this app over here, I can tap on this arrow that I have on the right side, and then in here I just want to make sure that that the Galaxy Watch 9 is selected. So then let's install it, and now we just need to wait until it is installed. And once it is installed, we should be able to find it, for example, here on this list of apps, no matter if you use the Play Store on the watch or if you use the Play Store from your phone. And if you reopen the install option, then you will see if the app is actually being installed or not. Unfortunately, there is no progress, so you cannot really see how much has been downloaded or what is the progress of the installation. But as you can see now, we should have the app installed on our watch. So there it is. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.